Not homemade by Mama, but homemade by somebody. Carrot. How's those carrots? You want more?
Bread. Keep going. You make such a mess.
You want more? Okay. Carrot. Oh, today's February 13th. 5 days shy of my goal of 6 months for you to have salads.
I mean, we're I think 3 months late. If I can be honest.
That's mean, Daddy. Cairo, what are you eating? Biscuit?
Bread in his hair.
Look at Mommy. Look at Mommy, Cairo. Cheese. Hi. One more carrot? Here you go. You want a carrot? No? You're full? Okay. Here. I think you're full. Hi. Hi.